Hey, this is Meditation with Renee. You've probably guessed it. I am Renee. I want to thank you for joining me on my 13th day of my 30-day meditation challenge. Today's topic is anger, dealing with anger, meditation for anger. Please find your preferred comfortable seating, whether that be on the floor or in a chair, whatever you find most comfortable. Same with your hand placement. You can place your hands either on your knees, your thighs, or in your lap, as I do. If you feel comfortable, go ahead and close your eyes. We're going to start with a deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth. Let's begin. Deep breath in through our nose and exhale through our mouth. Once again, breathing in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Last time, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Good. Very good. We're going to go ahead and bring our breathing to our natural speed. Allow your body to rest heavily on your sit bones or your butt. Where's pain located in your body? Where is the anger located in your body? What sensations do you feel right now? Any tension in your body? Your shoulders maybe? Your neck? What about your jaw? Are you tensing anywhere? Are you clenching your fists? Any sensations that you might feel in your body, I want you to accept them or turn into them. Focus on them. With each exhale, I want you to release just a little bit of tension in those areas. As we breathe in, and we might exhale to relieve just a little bit of tension in those areas. With every breath, the tension is a little bit lighter. Notice any thoughts that might pop into your mind at this moment. Witness those thoughts as a third person or as a witness would. not emotionally connected to it, but allowing them to pass freely. Are you able to allow the thoughts to pass? Maybe like a butterfly skipping from flower to flower. Are you able to let them go? If not, with every exhale, release a little bit more tension. Sometimes it might take longer for some people to be able to allow the emotions, the thoughts to pass. And that's okay because we're all different. This goes back to being non-judgmental towards yourselves. Don't be hard on yourself if it takes longer. Taking a good deep breath in and exhaling, relieving just a little bit more tension. Deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Continue on. With every exhale, release a little bit more tension. Bringing your awareness back to your shoulders, your neck, the area where you felt the anger, the location where you felt the anger. How does it feel now? Are you a little bit more relaxed? Is the tension or the amount of anger less than it was when we started? How about your thoughts? Are you able to allow them to pass by? Are you able to step aside and release the emotional connection towards them? And remember, the time this meditation takes is different for everyone. So if you are feeling less tension, then great, we'll come to a close. But if you're not, then just continue. It's no problem. Great job today. Really. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. And if you're ready, go ahead and start to wiggle your toes and fingers. If you closed your eyes, go ahead and open them. Great job. I'll see you tomorrow.